3 kilograms. So EGO, or EGO Power Plus as it's known by its full name, have been on the market now for around 10 years worldwide, and they have made massive strides throughout the garden market with their products. And while other manufacturers have still been focusing on power tools and petrol products, EGO have put all of their energy into garden machinery. So from an unknown brand 10 years ago, they have been an innovator in the garden market and left many manufacturers in their shadow. So back in 2017, they were one of the first manufacturers to bring in a 21-inch polymer deck battery-powered lawnmower. And then in 2021, they updated it to what I have here in front of me. But now it's time for them to bring in something new, something more stylish, something more robust, something with a few more features.
And this is where the brand new LM2236ESP comes into play.
And today we're going to check them both out and see what they're like and see how much better that one is compared to the old version.
Okay, so let's have a look at the new features of this brand new model. This particular machine is 55 centimeter cut, and it comes with a multi-blade system. The height of cut is from 25mm up to 100mm, and there's 8 heights of cut. So depending on how short or long you like your grass, there is a nice range of increments to be able to get the right or desired height of grass that you want. Now, the kit form comes with a 10 amp hour battery and fast charger. This equates to 75 minutes of continuous mowing or 2,000 square meters of grass cutting. It's got the standard folding handles like EGO like to use on their machines, and obviously it's got the multi-point system where you can fold your handles right forward for easy storage. Again, variable speed drive, just like the rest of the mowers, and you've got a nice cockpit up here which you can change your motor speed and your drive speed and turn your headlights on and off. Now, the motor you can actually change from 2,600 RPM up to 2,850 RPM and up to a maximum speed of between 3,000 and 3,200 RPM. And one particular point I like on this machine is you've got the option of mulching collection or side discharge out the rear of the machine. And the mulch system is actually built into this product, so you actually don't need to put a mulch plug into the back. And it can be converted just on a lever down below. And being that it's battery powered, generally they are lighter weight products. And this one is no different, weighing in only 31.2 kilos. Now, like the rest of the products in the range, this mower runs on their tried and tested 56 volt arc lithium battery system. So it means this battery in this product can run in any of their other tools. One thing I do really like as well is they've strengthened the handles to a slightly different design. The polymer deck is a slightly different construction, and by God, it looks pretty sweet.
Right, you finished waffling?
Well, I had lots of features to get through.
Well, I'm sure you did on that nice new mower you've got there, but I think we should do our first test.
Okay.
Where, who can fold up their mower for storage the quickest?
So I played James Hayes games before, and I just want to know the winning position. Now, I think it ought to be handles folded right down, grass box off, and blades in their upright position so they're facing the camera.
Who said he makes the rules, eh? I'm making them as I go along.
I know, and you're the competitive one, eh?
No, you're the most competitive person I know, so
right.
I think it's fairly even. But I do like your handles there, looking at that.
I know.
It's quite nice, that, isn't it?
What about that? That could be the starting position.
That was the starting position. Right, cameraman.
Count us in.
3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, it's quicker with one clip. Fair enough.
Might not have had a mower at the end of it. Yeah.
Do you want to have a break, have a breather? Yeah. Get your breath back?
Yeah. It's like the Olympics, and there's mowing. Right, what's the next challenge?
Speed.
Okay.
Speed test. Right, I got to make the rules this time.
Okay.
Start line.
Yeah.
We've got a finish line down the other end. We've got to put it into the fastest speed.
Yeah. No
changing speed.
Yeah.
And you're not allowed to push it to make it go faster.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, move.
Wasn't much in it, was there, eh?
I think the speed is exactly the same, but
I just had a bit better takeoff.
You've got a better acceleration there, because there's a little bit of a lag in the old one. When you press the button, there's a bit of a...
Yeah.
It takes a little while to ramp up.
That's what gave me the extra foot, probably.
And that's one thing I've always noticed about this mower, is you've had that. Whereas with that one...
Do you want to have a look at this?
Oh, still, yeah, but it's definitely, off the line, it was definitely quicker.
Reaction speed. It's youth.
Now, I think we've already had enough youth. Unbelievable. I think we've had enough fun.
Okay.
I think we should actually do something.
Get down to serious business.
Should we cut some grass?
Let's do it.
Let's do a bagging challenge.
Okay.
Let's bag. Right, so we've both got our mowers in level 4. Let's mow and see who blocks up or who fills their bag the most.
Okay. You've only got one speed.
Blocks I haven't got one speed.
Motor speed. I'm going to put mine right up full power.
You're going flat out?
Flat out.
Oh, your blade speed, you mean? All right, yeah, that makes sense.
Might make a difference.
You'll bag better in full
Well,
power.
you think so?
Right, I'm off. Right, we're not picking up much, so we'll go down a level. Well,
You're trailing.
I got remnants behind, so I am full. We've cut this. Oh, there we go. Look, she is jam-packed full, though. Jam-packed full.
That's impressive, isn't it?
Yeah, she's full, right? And that's wet, first cut grass. Yeah, and the chute is absolutely. Yeah, there's a lot of grass in there.
Because that's 85. Oh no, that's 80 litres that bag, isn't it?
And yours is 85.
85, yeah.
So how full's yours then? Well, where's your grass growing?
Well, I don't know.
Where's your grass going?
I don't know. It's only half full. Seems really odd.
Yeah, but you haven't got any left over behind.
No. I mean, yeah, I've got a more powerful motor, or it's a faster spinning motor.
Yeah.
And a bigger bag. But
mine only went up into, because the older mower's actually got a load sensor on it, so when it hits heavier grass, it boosts the power, whereas with this one you've got 3 different speeds.
Yeah.
Yeah, 3 different blade speeds, so you can set it how you want it for your mowing application, which I much prefer. Whereas I always found with the mower which boosts itself, generally boosts itself to start with, and it'll die back down just where you want it to go, and then you end up blocking it.
And that's 3 centimetres wider than your one.
Yeah.
Very odd.
I want to see how well that one collects, so I suggest you carry on.
Just keep going and...
I'll sit in one of those chairs over there and watch Josh work.
All right, might be here all afternoon by the way we're going.
I'll carry on and mow some as well.
I think I might be finally blocked. Oh, look at how much grass is in there. That is impressive. Now, there aren't many petrol machines that will do that on the market, and this is cordless. James, fully full, mate. Boom.
You're finally full.
I am finally full.
So I haven't emptied my box since. And well,
You have now. Well, you need to.
so that's 2 boxes to your 1. So I think we should now weigh these.
Yeah, just grab your bag out again as well, which I've just noticed.
The grass bag.
Yeah.
Do I empty my chute like I
No,
would normally?
just bring your bag right out.
Well,
I've just noticed something that might make a difference as well. Just offer them up side by side,
the width.
the width of them.
Yeah. So yours is definitely wider, isn't it?
Yeah. So it's probably getting further to the back of the...
Oh yeah, there's some weight in there.
There's some weight, isn't there?
Yeah. Right. Let's just grab the scales and we'll weigh them. Original mower up first. Onto our beautiful scales, and I've got, I don't know if you can see that on camera, 11.3 kilograms. So,
Wager, it's going to be double the weight, isn't it?
15.
I'm going to go 18.
Oh,
What is it?
14.6.
Oh.
There we go. So, what was that one?
11 point.
Something. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's holding more grass.
Oh, yeah.
But still, that done double the amount of work than that did.
And it's only 5 litres more.
Yeah, that's true. But it's definitely, it feels heavier. So yeah, so there's definitely more in that bag than there is that bag.
Right, one thing I want to know is how much more power it's got. So I think if we find some long grass and go on this lowest cut that we can get it to and go full speed and see which one stops first.
Internal combustion. Oh no, the battery machine. Good idea, I like the idea.
I'm literally emptying my load.
Well, that's nearly my bag empty.
Nice.
All right. There's got to be something in this mower's better than that one, that. Lower setting, full
Flat
speed.
out.
Okay. You mean like all the customers used to do that we used to tell them not to do?
Yeah. Ready?
Go. No.
Stop.
Dead.
I'm wheel spinning.
You still going? I'm dead. Why did we? Draft box. Oh, and he's dead as well. There we go. That's some.
Do you know what? As well.
And you were going faster
That's
than I
only
was.
because it's full.
Yeah, mine's mine. Yeah, but mine's full as well. Look, it's looser than yours. There's another joke there somewhere. Yeah, that's
If that
impressive.
isn't impressive, what is?
So we've had a bit of fun. We've cut some sort of more standard UK lawn grass.
Yeah.
We've done some thicker stuff. I think it's now to try a bit of fine turf up on the main lawn. I put it in level 3. Let's see what the quality of cut's like.
Okay.
Nice simple test. Right. Oh, that's dry. Hang on.
Now, along with the host of features we mentioned at the start of the video, EGO have upgraded and fitted what they call a super composite deck. The material they use in this deck construction not only aids the airflow, resulting in great collection as you can see, but it also makes the deck itself incredibly tough and resistant to damage from debris. In their tests, this new and improved design has proven time and time again to be more robust than competitors.
Well, we're definitely covering some ground, but Josh, I wouldn't have a go with that one.
Oh, go on then.
I don't think we can, give a fair view on it unless I've had a go on both. Oh, hello. Here we go. So how did you get on with the mower from yesteryear? Oh, we just run out of battery literally as you stopped.
Yeah.
I've got 2 bars left, but this is a 10 amp hour battery.
Yeah.
Because that's what that kit gets sold with, and that's
It's a 7.5. Now this one,
because that's what that kit got sold with.
this one is rated to do 1,000 square meters on one charge with a 7.5.
Right.
Yours is rated to 2,000 square meters with a 10 amp hour.
Right.
So for an extra 2.5 amp hours, you're actually
Doubling your runtime. Interesting. Anyway, we weren't really cutting a great deal of grass there. That wasn't the point of that test.
No.
And in previous videos, when we've done the short grass test first, everyone goes, "Oh, you want to try it on longer grass?" Well, if they watched the whole video, they'd have seen we cut longer grass. Today we done it the other way around. But I'm glad we just swapped over then.
Yeah.
Because the handles on that
So much more comfortable.
probably the most comfortable handles I've ever used
They're
on
chunky,
a mower.
but
Yeah.
they're there, aren't
Yeah,
they?
they're all
You
there.
don't feel like you're fighting it.
Those you've got to feel your thumbs have got to be on the top, and it's just never quite right.
And the other thing is, I think they're either slightly longer handles or your grass box is slightly shorter, because I always tend to find with this machine that I was kicking the back of the
I
grass
think it's a little
box.
bit higher, isn't it?
Yeah.
I do agree. Admittedly, I have my handles lower than yours, so I did lower them down. Did you higher yours when you?
No, they were just set like you had them.
Right. Yeah.
And then obviously the power.
Oh, so Oodles more power. Oodles more power. Now, my thoughts, right, are that EGO have put possibly the same or similar motor in this one as they have their commercial aluminium deck mower.
The 5300 SP.
Yeah, it sounds very, very similar.
Yeah.
Which I think is a great thing, because that mower is, again, phenomenal, isn't it? This comes in a different price point. This is more aimed at domestic, whereas obviously the commercial one is designed for commercial applications. But, that mower is great. I can't fault that mower. I can't say, but that
is
It's
next
better.
level, isn't it?
It's better.
Yeah.
And it is, yeah, there's a lot to love about that. I really do. They've definitely reflected a lot of their commercial machine into this mower.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
now, we use this in one video. That's what we do. Obviously, we've used that in previous videos. We'll now have this mower to use in this video. But if you want to watch more regular content on how other people are getting on with this, we'll pop some links to some Instagram accounts in the description below who you may want to go and follow to see how well they get on with this mower in a full-time application.
And if you're interested in the commercial one, I actually reviewed the 5300 last year, so we'll drop that video to that corner.
Right there.
And hopefully you'll click on it and you'll want to watch it and you'll learn something.
Never know. But let us know what you think about this mower and whether you've got the old mower, whether you update to this, or you've got another brand and you think you'd go for EGO now, or you've got other EGO tools. That these batteries fit in so many different products. Anyway, we're Machinery Nation and we bring you videos every single week about tools and machinery. Watch that video there. Cheerio. Bye.
Cheers.